Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring a simple yet powerful conversion tool called PNG to BMP converter, created by BrowserLink. This online utility lets you instantly convert any PNG image into a BMP bitmap file in just a few clicks. It's free, quick, and extremely easy to use. The PNG to BMP converter transforms portable network graphics PNG files into bitmap BMP images. Unlike PNG, which uses compression, BMP stores image data as raw RGB pixel values without compression. This means BMP files are usually much larger in size. Also, BMP does not support transparency. If your PNG contains transparent areas, the tool allows you to replace those regions with a solid color of your choice before conversion. To access this tool, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head over to PNG to BMP converter. Now, let's look at two examples. Example 1. Convert a PNG to a BMP. First, we upload a standard PNG image into the input area. On the right side, the output panel instantly displays the converted BMP image. Since BMP does not use compression, the file size becomes larger compared to the original PNG. In this example, we kept the transparency color set to hash a 0C0F0, although the image doesn't heavily rely on transparency. The tool automatically converts the PNG pixel data into raw RGB format suitable for BMP. The final output shows the fully converted bitmap image, and to download it, simply click Save As. Example 2. PNG with alpha channel. In this example, we upload a PNG image that contains a transparent alpha channel. In the output preview, we see that the transparent areas are no longer see-through. Instead, they have been replaced with a solid light blue color. To achieve this, we set the transparency color option to hash a 0C0F0, which replaces all transparent pixels before generating the BMP file. Since BMP format doesn't support transparency, this step ensures the final image displays correctly. The final output is a bitmap image with no transparency and a consistent background color. Once satisfied with the result, click Save As to download your BMP file. That's how easy it is to convert PNG images into BMP format using this tool. Before you go, make sure to check out our previous videos on semi-transparent logo maker and PNG viewer to enhance your image editing workflow. Now it's your turn. Try the PNG to BMP converter yourself at onlinepngtools.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful online tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.